Hello, and welcome to the Producttechlab. We're excited to have you here and look forward to helping you bring your product ideas to life. We are providing the solution, Magical Cloud Solution, the invisible shield of protection, cybersecurity. Virtualize like a pro with Producttechlab. Application support. Call to backup infrastructure. AB and training facility.
Technical innovation and idea. Need more scoop on our tech-savvy services? Drop us a line at support@producttechlab.com or zip over to our website https://www.producttechlab.com. Pust. We're also big shots on YouTube. Find us at youtube.com/@Producttechlab and let's be friends. Thank you from Producttechlab, and more detail please mail us.
Welcome to the Producttechlab. This chapter will show the VPC and VPC configurations, okay, and also instances. Okay, let's start from the VPC. If we search this here, VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, if we click on it, okay, now first, if we create any kind of VPC, before we need to understand about what is my region. Now this region is showing Ohio, so I want to go the Asia Pacific Mumbai. So go to the VPC, and I want to delete this VPC because it is by default. I don't want to require that. It is not required for me. So if you delete it, okay, so I acknowledge all the information is there and click just written delete, okay, delete. This is the comment, and if we not delete, so you can see confirm deletion tab, delete default VPC, delete default VPC. Now I can delete option is enabled. Now click on it, okay. Well, so I want to create a VPC, create one. This is a VPC, only a VPC mode. What is VPC mode? VPC mode means you can understand the subnets, route, all the information has been showing, it is automatically generated. Okay, but I want to only I want to create just only one VPC. Just I give it to Producttechlab hyphen VPC. So CIDR value is required 10.1.3.0.0/20/16 that I would like to pay for. So what is CIDR value? CIDR means you just show to subnet, so that's called CIDR value, nothing else. Just I put the CIDR. If you want to tag, you can do it. Tenancy you can use for dedicated for this, or you can use for default, you can use for it. So I just create this VPC. Yeah, the VPC has been done. Okay, if you see the your VPC tab again, now I can see this VPC has been show over this CIDR value and all those things. This is the all the details. Okay, you can check this. Okay, this default is no, tenancy is default. Okay, DSCP option is there. If you want, so you can delete this DSCP part. Okay, action, you can delete DSCP option set. Okay, just type delete. Okay, this is a DSCP and you can delete it. Okay, okay, so now I don't want anything. Okay, just I have created the VPC. Good. Now I am creating subnet. Already 3 subnet is there. This is not required. It is coming from the default VPC, but I don't want it. Delete subnet. Okay. DELET as usual. Need to write it down and click on delete. Okay, does not exist. Already it's deleted, but it's taking time. But in between it will be deleted. No worries. Okay. Now I create two subnet. First of all, need to select the VPC. Okay, the subnet name Producttechlab subnet 1. Now it is coming availability zone. Okay, under this Mumbai we can see this is 3 availability zone. Okay, 3 availability zone means if we have a suppose in the Mumbai location, okay, there is a 3 availability zone is there. So that means if we have suppose anything this goes down, okay, anything goes down, then one will be take this information. So basically this is the cloud. If you see, this is the cloud, and this cloud if we got the configured, okay, so in this cloud, okay, in this cloud, what happened in it is a cloud, okay, complete cloud section, and in this cloud there is a Mumbai location, okay, and in this location there is a 3 availability zone. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Suppose this availability zone goes down, it will be required. That means it will be recovered. So that's why it is required for the availability zone. Okay. So if I select that thing, if we delete this and take the mouse cursor, okay. If I select which one will be required, so I just select that one. This CIDR value, this subnet mask is required, so I just put 10.1.3.0.0/24. I will need to upload. Okay, create subnet. Subnet has been created. Okay, great. And as you see, there is a Producttechlab subnet 1 is there. Again, I will create another subnet. VPC. Next is Producttechlab subnet 2. Preference zone, yes, I will give that one. 1A already created, 1B, and there is a 10.1.3.1.0/24. Create subnet. That's cool. That network also is created to different. If you see this subnet, and this is availability zone AP South 1. All the information you can see. You can see the availability zone is there. So that means this availability zone AP South 1. Okay, your VPC, which VPC under this VPC it has been created, how many IP addresses it has been created, network border map has been created, okay, one ACL has been created, okay, so all the information you can see this, okay. If I select that part only, this click, just uncheck it, okay, this is okay, this it is created availability zone B 1B. This is also 251. This is my subnet ID. It is my network border group. Okay, this is my CIDR value. This is zone ID. Okay, all the information show over. This is a routing table. Okay, network ACL. So all the information is there. Clear? So now I am to go to route table. Okay, so in that case, route table, it looks like one single route table it has been created. Okay, under this route table we can see 10.1.0.16 is local. That means this is cloud route table we have to see. Subnet association, we can see 2 subnet. Okay, we have created recently, so you can see it. So this is the VPC and subnet bus. Okay, so and one more thing, network ACL. Network ACL has been created 2 subnets and 1 ACL has been there. Okay, so see, there is already inbound rule, outbound rule is there. So if we have a created another subnet, so it will be RLD it is seen that it is under this network ACL. Okay, so if we delete it, we can delete it. That's not a problem. Delete network ACL. Okay, we can also this calling default network ACL cannot be deleted. Okay, you don't delete it about it. So you can do it one thing, action or create network ACL. I have to say Producttechlab ACL, and which VPC it is required. Producttechlab. This VPC's ACL under this ACL Producttechlab. So I just create this network ACL. It has been created. Okay. Now I'm just doing one thing. I have created inbound rules is there. Edit inbound rules. I just click on. If you add anything or anything, if you by default it is being denied. If add rule, okay, custom TCP, that means all traffic source in allow, I can do it save change. Okay, rule number must be saved. If you put the rule number 1, click on save change. Okay, see, this is star. This rule is lower, 1 is the higher. Okay, so that is the thing. Again, I am given to the another rule that will put, so this is could be higher. Okay, outbound rule as well as this is edit outbound rule. We do not change. We have required for the all TCP session, all traffic. Rule number 1. Okay, destination is any, custom is allow, and save changes. Cool. So this has been completely allow this rule. Subnet association, how many subnet is being associated on this? So edit, I have to click those things, save changes. This is these two subnets. Okay, these two subnets. Okay, associated in this ACL, and inbound rule and outbound rule has been created. Okay, so this is the VPC. Okay, now if you're talking about any kind of EC, okay, so EC2 I have to create it over this. I can create, you can click this EC. Okay, launch instances, you can do launch instance or instances running. This is the original template. Launch instances, you just click. I have to click one thing, Producttechlab server. Okay, now I want to add Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu, this is my free tier eligible. Okay, keep your name is required. Okay, for the SSH access, very important. PM file and PPK file. If you use a PPK file, you can do it, or if you use a PM file, you can do it. Okay, so I just create the PPK file, create PPK file. You should put the name Producttechlab and create PPK. Okay, and in the download section, I'm just save it. Cool. Allow SSH HTTP. Okay, I have to 18 GB2. This is a volume part. This is the your storage part is there. I just launch instances. Okay, instances has been launched. You can see over this. Cool. This is average on AP South B T2 micro. Okay, there is a no public IP4. This private IP is 10.1 to 1.80. Over this DSV that can be taken from this IP address and DNS name it is. Okay, and it has been launched is where it has been launched. This is 10.1.3. 1.80 is AP South 1B. Security group has been created by default. This is security group. Okay, so what is the difference security group and network ACL? Network ACL is based on your VPC. Network ACL and ACL is in VPC, and security group it is in instance. Clear? So this is the point. Okay, so now if we have go to the instances, already WD zone is 1B. Okay, you have to see security networking. You can see 10.1.3, 1.8, 1.80, and is averaging 1B. I told you. Okay, next time I'll create another instances, and you can ignore. Okay, that's not required any kind of ignore launch instances. Producttechlab web server 2. Producttechlab to FM server. Earlier machines, I do not choose any kind of network information, so it's by default it has been taken. Okay, create new pair key. Okay, that's not required because I have already created. Oh yeah, this is the basically subnet. If I do the edit, this is subnet, this is a VPC. You can, if you have multiple VPC, you can choose over this. Now I have just one VPC, I can choose over this. It has been taken Producttechlab subnet 2, but I want to give the Producttechlab subnet 1, and this is the AP South 1A. You can see AP South 1A. Okay, so I just launch instances. Clear, just click over this and you can see there is a launch. This instances have been launched. Okay, T2 micro, this is pending, it's taking time, then to open it up. Well, so this is the functionality, and you can see the first one 1B, second one is 1A. So you can choose manually, you can choose automatically. So I think as a recommendation, as a AWS expert, you should be choose as a available to join in networking tech. So that's all, my friends. This is the VPC and instances. Okay, we will be seen in the next video. Thank you so much.